Taking your pet to the veterinarian for microchipping, deworming, and anti-rabies vaccination is essential for their long-term health, safety, and legal compliance. These preventive measures protect your pet from fatal diseases and parasites, while also protecting your human family from zoonotic diseases. Pet microchips are tiny, rice-sized RFID transponders injected under pet skin, typically between the shoulder blades, providing a permanent, non-visible ID. They are highly effective for locating lost pets and verifying ownership, significantly increasing the likelihood of reunion. The procedure is safe, fast, and often mandatory in many areas. Deworming is crucial for pets to eliminate intestinal parasites, like roundworms and tapeworms, which can cause poor health and, in some cases, infect humans. Puppies and kittens should be treated every 2 to 3 weeks until 3 months old, while adult pets typically need treatment every 3 to 6 months depending on their lifestyle. Anti-rabies treatment consists of a series of vaccine shots, usually on day 0, 3, 7, 14, and 28, designed to prevent fatal infection after exposure to the virus, such as a bite or scratch. Treatment often includes rabies immunoglobulin, RIG, to provide immediate antibodies. Prompt wound washing and medical attention are critical.
Gusto niyo nang mamiya kasama.
Second visit, February 28, 2026.
Lahat ay mawala. Akong masaktan kung kapalit na may malaya.
Ayan siya. Yan. Wah! No! Bako! Bako! Marikit! Marikit! Nay! Hey, tara na.
Okay, you will be. Hello.
Wawa naman.
Finish. There's a small country.
Hi, assalamualaikum.
Thanks for watching.
Daw niyo nakita ang hayop.